Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer USDT from Kucoin to another wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this guide will have you transferring your assets safely and efficiently. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's great for moving funds without the volatility of other cryptos, and with updates in 2025, the process is even more streamlined. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kucoin account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly, it's free and straightforward. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section. This is where you'll see all your holdings, including USDT. Look for the USDT balance and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, you'll need the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. This could be a wallet on another exchange like Binance, or a personal one like MetaMask. Double-check that the address is correct. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Paste the address into the To Address field on Kucoin. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember, Kucoin might have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those details first to avoid surprises. In 2025, expect even lower fees thanks to network upgrades, but always verify on the platform. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any network fees. Kucoin supports networks like Tron or Ethereum for USDT, so select the right one to match your recipient wallet. Once you're good, click Withdraw, and wait for the two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. That's a key security step. After the transfer, keep an eye on your transaction status. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your other wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you go. You've successfully transferred your funds. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and remember, always double-check your details to protect your assets. See you in the next video.